Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC. This vehicle for sale comes in a black exterior, and we have a black interior. Heated seats, both driver and passenger, and memory seats here on the driver's side. Steering wheel. Driver's seat with lumbar support, sunroof, rear seats, quick look up at the front of the vehicle, and coming around to the back we have our GLC 300 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging. Power opening and closing trunk. Plenty of storage room. And you can always flip down the rear seats for a little additional storage. And push button to close. Let's go ahead and hop inside the vehicle. So mileage currently at 33,336. We do have a push button ignition. And here is our touchscreen Mercedes-Benz display, currently showing navigation, radio, and backup camera. Below that is climate controls, as well as buttons to access some of those various functions we just showed you there. Below that we have cup holders, wireless charging port for a cell phone, command module here for also making adjustments on the display, and our shifter. Now, if you're interested in additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.